Hi guys! It's Homes by Harriet here. Today, meron tayong isang lot project na i-feature located in Calamba, Laguna. Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba yung meron sa existing community na to at kung ano yung mga available lots pa dun sa area. And also, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo kung bakit siya pinipili ng mga tao na mag-invest sa area na yon. This is also one of the most affordable lots in the area at excited akong makita nyo to. So tara, sama kayo! Hi guys! So ngayon, nandito na kami sa isang project na pinaka-affordable dito sa area that is just very accessible to New Valley. Alam ko na, present ko na rin to sa inyo. But right now, pinuntahan ulit namin to see kung ano na yung mga available lots as of the moment. Itong isa, na-feature ko na rin to sa inyo. This is a 161 square meter lot area. It's an inner lot. Ito siya. About its existing community dito sa area, so kung mapapansin nyo naman, sobrang hangin, kasi mataas na rin yung lupa nila dito since it's actually just beside New Valley. And alam naman natin na New Valley has an elevated land, kaya naman sumasabay din sa kanya yung mga katabing projects niya. Isa dito is si Morning Fields. Ayan. It's currently 10 in the morning, and ganito siya. It's sunny out here. As you can see, wala naman masyadong ingay, wala masyadong tao na lumalabas. So we have another available lot here in Morning Fields na isa pa naming napuntahan. Dito siya sa pagitan ng dalawang house na to. It's a 172 square meter lot area. Same lang din nung isang lot na pagitna siya ng east and west. Para may idea kayo about the construction of the house and lots dito sa Morning Fields, it's a minimum of 1 million. Kaya wala silang sinusunod ng architectural team. Kung ano man yung naisip mo na design or layout for your own home, nasa sayo. Basta yung construction, the minimum cost would be 1 million. So, it's another recommended lot here in Morning Fields. Talagang iniikot namin guys na yung mga magaganda pang lote dito sa project na to para makita nyo din yung karo na itsura ng lote. Yan. So, this lot naman is a 416 square meter lot area. So, malaki-laki and it's an irregular lot. Parang lumalabas na siya as end lot to sa Morning Fields pero ang ganda ng location niya guys. Kung ano man yung nakikita nyo ngayon na mga damo, ginagapas din siya every time makikita nila na matangkad na siya or tumatangkad na sila. So, hindi naman nila hinahayaan na matabunan ng malalaking damo yung mga lupa or yung mga vacant lots dito sa Morning Fields. Another available lot na malapit lang dun sa 416, lot area na available is this one. It's a 256 lot area, so kung ano man yung itsura ng bahay na yan, ganyan lang din siya laki, or kahaba. Parang rectangle shape yung lote na to, so kahaba talaga siya. Yan, so it's a total of 256 square meter lot area. So kung may mga gusto mang magtayo ng ganitong klaseng bahay, yung mga pahaba na itsura, so perfecto para sa inyo. So kung ano man yung itsura ng magiging harap mo, kung magpapatayo ka, so, Ayan. So, another available lots, no, here in Morning Fields. Ngayon naman, ang mga sizes naman na ipapakita ko sa inyo is smaller. So, this is a 2 lots. Sizes are 120 square meter lot area. So, itong dalawa na loteng to na magkatabi, no, for those of you na naghahanap ng smaller lots, no, for those na gusto makapag-start at a small size. Yan, para makapag-invest sa future. O kaya naman may mga planong tayo ng house and lot na gusto nila sariling layout, no, or design ng bahay. This is the perfect option for you. With its neighbors, no, yung mga house and lots na nakatayo, ganito na yung itsura niya. As of now, May 27, 2025 at exactly 11 o'clock in the morning. So, another hidden gem lot recommendations here in Morning Fields na may maganda pang pwesto, may maganda pang view is this one. So, it's also an 120 square meter lot area, no? Dalawang magkatabi siya. So, ito siya. This one and this one. So, dalawang 120 square meter. But, I prefer this lot because of the Mount Makiling view. In case magpagawa ka ng bahay, no? So, syempre, you grab the opportunity na magkaroon ng space to have that view in the morning, ganyan. So guys, habang makulimlim, no, that's the end of our video here in Morning Fields at Carmel Town. Again, this project is very accessible to New Valley area, no, but the price is very much affordable than New Valley. So, kung naghahanap man kayo ng lot or meron kayong preferences when it comes to the size, when it comes to the facing, kung east or west man yan, this is the perfect option for you. We have smaller lot size, we have bigger sizes. Kung open ka man to explore these sizes, no, we can schedule a tripping or consultation call with me. You can reach me out on my WhatsApp or Viber 0997-833-7519. And again, I'm Homes by Harriet, and I'm very excited to be with you, no, to show you more projects here in Laguna. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching.